Welcome back, it's Nailah, and today I will be reviewing the WONDERBRUSH by CURLTASTIC. I was so happy when this company reached out to me, then granted me the opportunity to try their products. Also, they were really kind and respectful when communicating, plus I think they should get extra points for being a Black-owned business. I was genuinely excited because after watching some demonstration videos, the brush looked really soft. I'm not sure if that's an odd observation, but either way, the quality met my expectations. CURLTASTIC also sent me the infamous mist spray bottle. This was definitely an upgrade from my previous bottle, and the brush also came with a lock, which was even more amazing. Quick disclaimer, I used a similar brush a while back and my experience was slightly horrific. You can already tell which brush is of better quality just by looking at it. The black brush was smaller, more rigid, and made from harder materials, which caused some breakage and damage to my hair in the past. But the WONDERBRUSH was bigger, a lot softer, and extremely flexible. To truly test this brush, I did not detangle my hair for 1 week. My hair was super tangled and dry. I sprayed my hair with water, applied a conditioner, and began to detangle. Unlike other detangling tools, I felt like the WONDERBRUSH did most of the work for me. I was also shocked at the small amount of hair I saw. At some point, I was upset because other styling tools would come back filled with hair even when I'm extremely gentle, which really had me thinking, like, if I discovered this brush years ago, I honestly felt like my hair would be thicker or longer because this did not tug on my hair. Even when divided into larger sections, I did not encounter issues. I think it's safe to assume the bristles and flexibility of the brush minimize the chances of my hair getting stuck or pulled. The root of my hair is easily the most sensitive and sadly the hardest part of my hair to groom. But for some magical reason, these roots felt silky. In the end, my roots were not even bulky. I also tried the brush with the lock. It was great to know I had an option to create more tension if I needed, but it was not necessary. At this point, it becomes more of a preference to use the lock because either way, I achieve the same great results. My detangling session normally takes 2 hours, sometimes more, because I always had to work with tiny sections so I don't completely damage my hair. But with the WONDERBRUSH, I finished the entire process a little under 1 hour. This brush really taught me how to be gentle with my hair because it truly does all the work with the slightest effort, and I did not experience a tender scalp afterwards. It also showed me that it was time to get rid of the other brush and all the white teeth combs because those rarely did the job for me. You can follow the company at CURLTASTIC and a link would be provided on their page. Thank you so much for watching, and honey, go try this brush. I know you will love it. See you soon.